Nice to meet you. Thank you for coming down all the way across the ocean.
It's a pleasure, man. It's a pleasure. I'm excited for you to stitch me back together.
Of course, that's the game plan. Get you back as best as we possibly can, back to the way you were before this happened. That is the goal. So you have some flatness over here. It's a little flatter, see? There's more muscle right there. The muscle goes all the way up right there. I'm gonna do an x-ray just to make sure that the bony anatomy looks fine, that there aren't any surprises here. It should be fine. You're gonna have surgery. Your shoulder joint looks absolutely great. There's no spurs, there's no arthritis. The alignment looks great, and the shape looks excellent. So you have a very nice looking shoulder joint, and that's good news in terms of it. Yeah, I'm very confident you're gonna get through this and be able to get back in training. That's the #1 goal here, man. Make you get strong, not compromise with repair, and not to leave anything unrepaired.
Well, thank you, Steve.
No problem. Thank you. I'm looking forward to helping you further, okay? I'm also planning my incision here, okay? So I'm looking at, there's your clavicle, deep down right there. There's a bone right here, right there.
Yeah.
You're gonna feel like the coracoid.
Yep.
So I'm gonna stay out of the armpit. We're gonna try and decrease risk of infection. I'm gonna keep the incision a little bit away from the armpit. It's called the delta pectoral approach. A.M. Steve Alvaro Mora. And this is how we confirm that this is the correct side.
Awesome.
Right?
Thank you, man.
You can see some major damage, major tearing. This muscle belly is retracted. It's probably like a delaminated type of tear. There's some tendon right over here. There's most likely a tendon right over here. So I'm gonna have to find this as well. But that's pretty severe myotendinous pectoralis major tear. That's what we're gonna be fixing here in a minute.
Yeah. I know this guy.
Wow.
Oh, you know that guy?
This is the guy that fixed me.
I'm the guy responsible for that.
Thank you so much.
He wants to shake your hand.
Of course. Everything went perfect. Really happy how things went. Really happy how things went. You know, there's nothing unusual about Hathor. Not only is his mass large, but his goals are large. He needed a special approach here in terms of keeping him safe, making sure that during the surgery there were no problems. Even before surgery, I had one of my own cardiologists see him to make sure that everything was fine, my own personal internal medicine doctor, and then my personal anesthesiologist here. The surgery went absolutely perfect. If he's gonna have a chance, he's gonna have a chance. I'm happy that you got through it, my man. I know the road's gonna be long, but I have a lot of hope and optimism that you're going to get through this and you're going to be lifting once again and getting back on the circuit.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Dr. Mora.
You're welcome anytime. Thanks.
I want to use this moment and thank the man himself, Dr. Steve Mora. Thank you so much for everything. I'm so pleased and happy that I decided to pick you out of so many people. I'm happy that I trusted you with your ability to fix me, and so far the recovery is incredible. I'm excited for the weeks coming, for the months coming. And yeah, thank you so much again, my friends, for everything. Guys, please go and show the man himself, Dr. Steve Mora, some love. He deserves all the love possible. And if you guys know someone that is dealing with such an injury, you know where to look. He's the best.